Question number 12. Spheres x and y are form an isolated system. X and y, mass of y is greater than the mass of x. So my is greater than mx. Okay. You have, this is your y and this is your x. I written x smaller. Sphere x collides with elastically with sphere y. Elastically, what do you mean by it? That means the energy is not lost. Energy is conserved. So it goes and it collides with it. Okay. Then the speed of x before collision is also u. So here also it's u. Now, which statement is correct? Speed x rebounds with the speed that is greater than u. See, if it collides with x and there is no energy being lost, that means it can also collide, it can also bounce back with a velocity u or less than u. Okay, it cannot bounce back with the speed greater than u. So therefore, this is definitely incorrect, because if it bounces back with a velocity greater than u, that means your half mu square would be larger, right? So if it is larger, that means it receives more energy. See, first of all, you cannot expect y to give some energy to it, because y is already at rest. It doesn't have any energy, so it definitely cannot give energy, right? So therefore, this is incorrect. Speed x rebounds with speed that is less than u. This is possible. And sphere y moves off with the speed that is also less than u. Yeah, this is possible. Probably this could be the right answer. Let me keep it aside. Let us read the rest of them also. Speed x rebounds with speed u, and sphere y remains stationary. Sphere x rebounds with speed u. See, if you have a sphere x and you have a wall, okay, which is an infinite wall, okay, and this wall is unmovable, then what can happen is this can go hit here, and then this wall will, in an elastic collision, this will also move backwards if no energy is lost with the same velocity u. But here you see, sphere y is not like that. It's not a wall, it's also a sphere. Though the mass of it is higher, but still it also has the capability to move forward. So therefore, this is also incorrect. See, this is applicable only when the sphere is stationary. The sphere y is also stationary and it is immovable. Okay, you cannot move. It's something like you have a big mountain and you have a small tennis ball. It goes and hits it. Okay, then definitely the ball may rebound with the same speed. Then sphere x remains stationary. Sphere x remains stationary. Sphere y moves off with the speed that is less than u. That is less than u. This is also impossible. Okay, so as a result of this, the correct answer should be B over here.